Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no post, so let's just get right into it. I am gonna do a pretty pink glittery look today, and as you can see, I am using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. So the shade that I'm using right now is Plume, and I'm putting it all over my lids. I was using a brush, and then I decided to go in with my fingers because that really brought the pigment out. I will say, moving forward, because this is the first time I'm using these ColourPop shadows, but I will be using my fingers from now on when working with them because it really brought the color out. So right now I'm just cleaning up around my eyes. There was quite a bit of fallout, so I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning that up a bit before moving forward. So back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am using the shades Oh Hello and Stay True. I'm mixing them together on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm putting that in my crease as my transition shade. Can you tell it's been a while since I've done this? I can't even talk. So to add a bit of dimension to the outer part of my eye, I'm taking the shade Crazy, and I ended up mixing it with the black shade next to it called Temptress, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. And then I'm just grabbing that same makeup wipe again and cleaning up more excess that landed on my under eye area. So I did my mascara and false lashes off camera, but I wanted to show you what I used. So I started with the Fenty Beauty mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. That has to be my new favorite mascara. I love it so much. And then the lashes I'm wearing are Lilly lashes in the style Miami Flare. So right now I'm prepping my skin for foundation. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and set the areas of my face that are oily with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really like to cake on the powder before I apply my foundation because my skin, especially my forehead, can get so oily. I've learned that it's okay to be heavy-handed with this because it does keep my makeup in place and I'm not just this greasy mess at the end of the day. For my foundation, I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Maple. I love this stick foundation. It's a really great match for my skin. From there, I'm blending it all out. This is the Morphe M439 brush. I think I've got about 5 of these. I love this brush. Anytime I don't feel like using a beauty blender for my foundation, I pick up one of these brushes. I really love how lightweight this foundation is as well, because sometimes I've dealt with stick foundations that just felt so heavy, but with Milk, I can't even tell that it's on my face. And don't forget to put foundation on your neck and your ears. Always bring it down. So now for my concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer to brighten things up. This is in the shade Deep Caramel, and I'm just going to grab that same Morphe brush and blend it out. To set my concealer, I'm using my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 3 on a Vanity Planet brush. Now for the rest of my face, I'm taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro powder foundation in the shade Latte, and I picked up another powder brush. This is also from Vanity Planet, and I'm just putting that in the areas that I didn't hit with concealer and setting powder. And then to bronze up my skin, I'm picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream bronzer in the shade Hazelnut, and then I'm also grabbing the Anastasia A30 brush and going down the sides of my cheeks. For my blush, I am using the shade Dainty. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Rouge Romance Rouge Affair blush palette. These are the only blushes I use. They stay on all day. They are amazing. And I'm taking that on a Morphe R2 brush. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill, the Flare palette for my highlight because I wanted something soft. So this is the shade Made You Look on a Morphe M510 brush. And then to finish up my eyes, I'm going back in with the two shades I used for my transition. This is Oh Hello and Stay True on a Morphe M321 brush. Getting emotional because I look so good. So for my inner corner, I'm using the shade I'm In It. It's like this really pretty iridescent pink shade, and for that I grabbed my Morphe E36 brush. For my lipstick, I decided to go with Work Mode. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's this really pretty purple magenta shade. Oh yeah, and then I tried to set my face before realizing that I hadn't even put on mascara or eyeliner. This is what 2 years away does to me. So I'm using my Melt Onyx gel liner on an old Stila liner brush, and then I finished up my mascara off camera. And now I am going to set my face using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And that is it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited to be back, and I can't wait to start filming again. I will see you in my next video. Bye!